Understanding the phrase, dead box. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive into a unique English phrase that you might have come across, dead box. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Dead box is a two-word phrase. Let's look at them separately first. Dead typically means something that is no longer alive or not functioning. Box, a container that can hold objects. Together, however, the meaning isn't as straightforward as a non-functioning container. The beauty of English is that combining words can sometimes create an entirely different meaning. The phrase, dead box, isn't a commonly used phrase in day-to-day English. It might be used in specific contexts or regions, but it's not universally recognized as having a standard meaning in English. If you come across this phrase, it's essential to understand the context in which it's used. It could mean a box with non-functional items or, more metaphorically, a situation or place where things are stagnant or unproductive. For example, in an office setting, if someone refers to a storage room filled with outdated equipment as the dead box, they mean it's where non-functional or obsolete items are stored. While it's not a popular phrase, here are some examples to give you an idea of its usage. 1. They put all the old printers in the dead box in the basement. 2. I tried to get some spare parts from our storage, but it was like looking through a dead box. Nothing was useful. Remember, the key is the context. If you decide to use this phrase, ensure that the listener understands the reference or provide enough context. English is filled with unique phrases and expressions that may not always make immediate sense when translated directly. Dead box is one such term. While it's not commonly used, understanding the potential meanings can help you navigate conversations better. We hope this video has shed light on this particular phrase. Stay curious, and keep learning.